So the purpose of this video is to take you through the process of fixing or changing the earpads and the headrest or whatever that is. So we have some packages here. They are brought by Jumia. So we are going to unbox them. So these are the ear tips and the new headband. So I'm going to take you through the process of changing the earpads first. So mine is totally worn out, so it will take some work through in order to get this part outside. So there is this part that needs to be removed. Yeah, this is the part that holds the earpad together. And then they're going to replace with a new one. You see, the new one has this plastic that goes into these hooks. Yeah, you see these hooks. But first we have to put in this one is the filter that makes sure that the dust doesn't go into the components. So first things first, you have to remove these tapes. There are two tapes, you have to remove them. They have glue behind them. Just be careful, they're so delicate. And then you fit it here. So after you fitted the filter, make sure the glue is stuck well. So it's time you fit the new earbuds. So you have some hooks here, so you're going to put it under the hooks. Make sure you don't break them, they're so delicate. You have to put it one side first, slowly, until they click in, and then after that it's fixed. The first one is already fixed, so we are going to fix the second one, and I'll take you through it. I'll just speed up through the process because the first one was, I've already shown you the first one. So and so now we are done with the earpads. Now we are going to work on the headrest one, and when I'll have to modify because it's sealed, we have to cut through the fabric. So here we go, I'm going to cut. And so we are going to change these two. We have a new one, a new replacement one that uses a zipper, well, which is made way better. It has a zipper, also from Jumia. They came as a package together with the head, these ones, the ear tips, and we're going to wipe that metal to make sure it's clean, it's dust free. And to take care of this cable, make sure you don't damage the cable while doing this. Okay, so it's so easy, you just have to place it in the right position. just like that. Then you put the zipper in, just like that. Easy. You line up well. Okay. So after you fix this, you just close the zipper, just like that. And then you try and fit them under these two plastics. So we've now fixed everything on the headphone, but we are also going to replace this cable because it's worn out, and we'll do the unboxing of the cable. So here's the new cable, which looks identical apart from the Bose branding. This one doesn't have any Bose branding because it was a generic one, but I'll test the audio quality. So the cable goes in this opening, so you just put the cable there, and the cable also has some levels. It has high and low. Well, high is more bassier than the low setting, so basically this is used to set the bass. So hey, thanks guys for watching this video. So make sure to share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.